stop.
I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it.
Yeah, Matt's applying walrus oil. Matt's applying walrus oil. And yeah, he's treating it. It's for cutting boards especially. So we have a pig cutting board. And yeah, at the customer's request, we're just making it, reviving it and giving it new life. We had a whole bunch of cutting lines in here, so in all directions. So we were able to resurface all sides, and yeah, the results are going to be very beautiful. And yeah, I'm sure they'll be happy. So yeah, the way he's just working in the wax into the pores of the wood, and obviously it takes a wet appearance. And yeah, it's health safe. It's food safe.
What's it taste like? Does it taste like walrus? Does your walrus oil actually taste like walrus, Dave?
I don't think so.
You want to try it?
No. He's just working it right into the corner and the crevice. Yeah.
Aggressive.
Sometimes when I get those ones, I get around to the very edge, and it's like I saw with the single layer. There you go. Nice. All right, so we'll start recording when it gets to one of the faces.
It is on the face now.
Oh, is it now?
It is on the face
Oh,
now.
okay. Well, I'll just keep on going.
Stop. I want it. I got it. 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 I want it.
Yeah, they'll be happy. Look at that figure that jumps out when it hits here. It's gonna be awesome. So usually what I do, if we're gonna rub something in, we'll try to reuse what you had there.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
Okay, so you want to create like a ball. So you take and roll this up. And so that way we're dealing with a ball like this, so we can, a pad, so we can rub it in. Sometimes you get antiques. You know, something you want a French polish. First of all, I gotta get that nice and tight there. Okay. And usually I do little figure eights like that. And then you can go into consistent circles for the buffing process, and keeps it really nice and even. Okay. That's kind of like one pass. This little piggy. I want to get into the eye. Yeah, twist it around for firm pressure. Ah, that was nice. You can see the original ink marks of the person's circle. I cleaned it up a little bit. What do you think?